Want a cracker? These are cottage cheese pepperoni crackers. You can make them as crispy as you like. I'm going to dip it in my pizza sauce. That'll look good. Cottage cheese pepperoni crackers. This is probably one of the easiest recipes you can ever make, and I'll put the directions for how to make these crackers below in the comments section. Basically, you're going to get a full-fat cottage cheese. Now, I've got some Daisy here, full fat, and I'm just going to do a small tray. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. It's just coming up right now, and I'm just showing you an example of how I do this. I'll make 6. Just a blob. Just separate them. There you go. And then just take a piece of pepperoni and just press it down. Now you can do other things too besides pepperoni. You can put some everything bagel seasoning on the top, because there's no flavor really in the cottage cheese. So I'm going to take this pepperoni. It's all going to crisp up nicely. Just press it in like that. That's pretty straightforward. And I'm at 350 degrees. I've got heat on this side, nothing in the center. And I'm cooking outside today because it's nice and hot. But you can cook in the oven if you like. So I'm going to put this in. There we go. And I'm setting my timer exactly for 25 minutes. And you can rotate halfway through if you like. So after I cook this, so I'm going to cook this, I'm going to rotate it, and then I'm going to let it rest, probably for about 10 minutes, to let it set on the parchment paper, and then it'll just peel right off. Okay, so here we go. This is 25 minutes, and you're going to notice that there's quite a bit of water. It looks like this. And it'll evaporate. You could sop it up if you want. The 25 minutes at 350 degrees for me on parchment paper is perfect. I actually use a silicone mat for my extra crispy crackers. They're super crispy. These aren't as crispy as the extra crispy super crackers, but you can make them as crispy, go as long as you want. I really like the pepperoni in this. So what I did was I took this out of my oven and I just let it rest for about 10 minutes, just to firm up a little bit. So it's easy to peel off on the back. And you can see how that just peels off like that. Doesn't that look good on the back? Yep, perfect. And you're going, why, dude, why are you making like 6 of these? Well, you know what? You can do a whole tray. I'm going to say there's 1 carb per cracker. But look at that. That just, boom, gone, done. I'm going to serve this with my pizza sauce. And I spent 25 years perfecting this sauce. I'll put a link for it if you like. And it's perfect on keto pizzas. I don't do regular pizzas anymore, but it's perfect on keto pizzas. Put a little bowl out, you know, and just dip in, and away you go. Who would think that you could take some cottage cheese and put it on some parchment paper and with a piece of pepperoni on the top and cook it like that? Pepperoni adds the right amount of saltiness. You have to trust me on this one. And dip it into the pizza sauce. Look at that. That's cooked perfectly. Nice and crispy. Take it as far as you want, as crispy as you want. And make sure you rotate it. There's lots of liquid in the cottage cheese. I like the full fat cottage cheese. That look good. There's my cottage cheese pepperoni crackers. Thanks for watching.